Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about cross-site scripting or XSS. Now, what is XSS? By the definition, XSS attacks are a type of injection attack or basically a web vulnerability in which we send some malicious code to the web application or the website, generally in the form of browser script. Now, it can be JavaScript, HTML, or CSS code, and generally known as payload. Okay. Though the primary attack vector is JavaScript, so most commonly we usually send JavaScript payload to perform some malicious action on the victim browser. So, what is the impact of XSS? Now, XSS is one of the most common type of web vulnerabilities in today's scenario. And using XSS, a hacker can steal data or cookie, perform keylogging, then do coordinated phishing attacks, or perform URL redirection. URL redirection means generally they can redirect a user to their own website where there may be some kind of external script which records all the user data. Now, what are types of XSS? There are basically three types of XSS: reflected XSS, stored XSS, and DOM-based XSS. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about reflected and stored XSS, and in upcoming tutorials, we'll be learning about DOM-based XSS as well. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be performing tests in a simulated lab environment. I have a website here, http testphp.vulnweb.com. We'll be using this website to learn the basics of XSS. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll perform few more labs and then we'll move to see the impact of XSS on real websites. Now, how to get started? First of all, let's just open this website. Okay, so here is testphp.vulnweb.com, and this website is usually made to perform injection attacks, XSS, SQL, or all kind of attacks. Okay, so we'll start with the basic of XSS in this website. Now, what are the primary targets that we have to perform XSS? The first thing is we find out input or search box on the website, or check if there is any comment box on the website. So let's say here we have a search box, okay, where we can search any product. So first of all, let's see just what products this website have. So if I just go to categories, you will see it has these categories: posters, painting, stickers, graffiti. And in the artist section, you will see there are a few artists. So these kind of things. So let me just randomly search anything. I'll be searching for hello. Okay. Type hello and just click on go. Now, once you search anything and if you see that particular thing is being reflected on the web page, I was searching hello, and if you see the output on the web page, it means it may be vulnerable to XSS. Now, how to perform XSS? The most common payload available to us to perform XSS is a JavaScript payload where you have to type script and then alert one, or you can just type anything inside it. XSS attack, let's say I'm just going to type this. Okay. Then you have to just close the script tag here. Now, a basic knowledge of JavaScript is required to perform XSS attacks. So here we are using a script tag, which is used to write JavaScript in HTML codes. Alert is a function, and inside alert, whatever message you will type in double quotes, it will be shown on the browser. Okay, so we'll just copy this and let's just perform the XSS of first XSS attack. So here I was typing hello and I saw the result being reflected on this web page here. See hello. So if I just copy paste this code that we have written here, script alert XSS attack, and then close the script tag. And if I just search on, click on go, you will see a prompt will appear here. See, this is the XSS attack. So this says XSS attack. Whatever you will write inside the message, it will just show it on the prompt. So let me just copy it. And you can also type, let's say, alert one like this. And if I just copy this and paste it here, and if I click on go, you will see it will now prompt 1 2. Okay. Similarly, there are more functions, JavaScript functions, which you can use. For example, I can just type, instead of alert, we can use the prompt. Uh, so let me just type prompt, and here we'll just type name. And if I just copy and paste it, now prompt is a function which is used to get input from a user. So see, it will now ask me for my name. So you can just randomly type anything. Okay. So like this. So this is an example of XSS attack. Now, what kind of XSS attack is this? This is reflected XSS attack. Basically, an attack in which the output is instantly shown to us. Like I was typing the script alert 1, and if I just click on go, that output was visible to us instantly. That is known as an reflected XSS attack. Okay, so let's see a few more examples of it. What I'll do is I'll just go to category, or let me just go to browse artists here, and here it says comment on this artist. Okay, see, our first target was input or search box. So we had this search box here, and we tried the XSS payload here. Okay, you can use any one of these, and there are more functions that we'll be discussing. Now it says comment on this artist. So if I click on comment on this artist, a new page is opening here. Okay, so it says enter name. So let me just type PJ in here, and comment. I'll type, let's say, anything. Hello. Okay. So first of all, we just normally check all the input boxes that are available to us. Now, if I just click on submit, it says PJ, thank you for your comment. Okay. Now see, we had two input boxes, the name and the comment box, and I was able to type my name and the comment hello, but only the name is visible on the final output page. See, it means whatever we type in the name input box, that is visible on the web page and may be prone to XSS attack. So let me just close this browser now, and let's again click on this. So again, I'll type in the name of in this input box. I'll just pick any one payload here, and I'll just type it inside this name input box. Now in the comment, let's just go with hello and then click on submit. Now see, we have successfully performed the XSS attack once again. So it says 1. Okay. So this is how you can use the comment boxes to perform XSS attacks. Now, the next thing is sign up and login forms. We saw an example of input search box and then comment box. Now, the next example is sign up or login forms. So let's see if we have any sign up or login form here. So if I just go to your cart, let's say, it says you are not logged on. To log on, please visit our login page. So if I click on login page here, it says username and password. Now currently I don't have any username or password, but it says please use the username test and password test. So I'll just type test here and then again test here. And if I click on login, let's see if anything is reflected on this page. So if I click on login, it says 1. Uh, okay, so see in the name, there is already a attack written here. Let me just remove this thing. Okay, I'll just type PJ here and let's update it. Click on update. Okay. And here, you already saw the example of it. So let me just log out once again. Okay. So I'll go to your cart once again and then go to login page. I'll just type test here and then password test. Click on login. Okay. So here we have few more input boxes: name, credit card number, email, phone number, and address. We can just try to add these payloads in all of these by one. So let me just copy this thing here, and I'll just copy paste here and then click on update. So if I click on update, you will see it is prone to XSS attack. This failed here. Okay, so let me just remove this. We saw it's prone to XSS attack. Now let's try it in credit card number input box. So if I click on update, So you will see this is not prone to XSS attack, as we just copy pasted the same payload, but it's not working here. So let's see if we can go back. Doesn't matter. So let's try it in the email and click on update. So email is also not uh, vulnerable to XSS attack. Let's try with phone number. So this is not also uh, prone to XSS attack. Let's try with address. This is not also prone to XSS attack. Okay, so only the name is vulnerable to XSS attack. Why? Because whatever name we type here, it is being shown on this. It is being reflected on this page here. Only the name is being reflected. Rest of these numbers and things are not reflected on this page. So only this name input field is vulnerable to XSS attack. Now let's see the good part of it here. We our first impact was data or cookie theft. So what I say, if I use another what we say another payload here, instead of one, if I just type document dot cookie, which is basically used to see the cookies stored on the browser. So if I just use this payload and copy and paste it here, you will see if I click on update now, you'll see my username and password is visible on this prompt now. See, login equal test %2 test 2f test. Okay. So this test was my username and this test was password. So this is how cookie theft can be easily performed using XSS attacks. Okay. So we saw an example of this as well. Now, also we saw login forms. Now let's see if for sign up. Okay. So I'll go to sign up now. It says you can also sign up here. Let's sign up. Okay. So it says please do not enter real information here. If you press the submit button, you will be transferred to a secured connection. Okay. So you don't have to type your real username, password, or anything like this. So let's first enter the normal username password like this. So I'll type PJ and then I'll type password is 12345620, let's say 123 123. Name will be pyGuru. Credit card number will be 123. Email will be 123. Phone number will be 123. And then address will be 123. Okay. So now here we'll see what of these fields are vulnerable. So how can we find it? If I just click on sign up and we'll see what all the fields are visible on the next page. So if I click on sign up now see, uh, if I just click on sign up, let me just sign up. So see, these fields are being shown to me: username, password, name, address, email, phone number, credit card. Okay. So these are the fields that are being reflected on this web page. So this may be vulnerable to XSS attack. So if I just go back, okay, and first we already saw the username is vulnerable to XSS attack. Password was not shown to us on the login page, so we'll try leave the password. Now here the name part. We'll try with one of our payloads here. So I just copy this thing and paste it in this section. So if I just click on sign up now, you'll see this is prone to XSS attack as well. So I just click on OK. You will see the name is not being shown, but our prompt was successfully injected. Now if I go back and type password is 123 and 123, let us just make the name pyGuru once again, and let's try with the credit card number. So let me just change the payload here to credit card number and click on sign up once again. You'll again see this is also vulnerable to XSS attack. So like this credit card is not being shown, but the attack was or the payload was successfully injected. Okay. So you can try on the phone number field, email address field as well. And sorry, password is also there. So you can also try the password here. So password and then this one also. Credit card number, let's just change it to 123. Click on sign up And see, password is also vulnerable to XSS attack. So anything which is being reflected on the final web page or the output page that may be vulnerable to XSS attack. So here we saw an examples of reflected XSS attack. So once again, if the thing you are searching for or entering is visible on the output page, it means it may be vulnerable to XSS attack. Now you can use these prompts. The most simple one is this script alert one, and then closing script tag to check that particular input field or sign a form, login form, or any kind of form or comment box is vulnerable to XSS or not. Okay, so now let's move to another section. Let me go to your profile. Okay, so it's already XSS prone. Okay, so because this is the my profile page, we already saw it here. Okay, now you don't always need a login form or this search box or anything like this to check for the XSS attack. You can also try it from within the URL of that particular page. So let's see an example. If I just click on browse categories, and here you will see there's posters, paintings, stickers. Let us open paintings. So it says, see the example, our URL testphp.vulnweb.com/list product.php. You can see this question mark, then category equals to. Okay. So instead of this two, let's just try passing our payload, which is the script alert one, and then let's just close the script here. And if I hit enter, and you will see this URL is also prone to XSS attack. Okay, so wherever you will see a query is being made in the URL, you can try performing the XSS there. Okay, now this video is getting quite long, so let us just wrap this video up here. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll be learning about stored XSS, DOM-based XSS, and see more examples of practice where we can learn about XSS attacks. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.